how to replace the filter, the Dowell Rap-40 air purifier. If this one it says replace filter, then it needs to be replaced. This is the Dowell filter, and we're gonna try to see how to replace it, and probably try to first to check is unplug it, switch the power off, unplug for safety, and at the side you can see this opening. It will give you indication if it's clean or dirty. So it's dirty, it means either you need to replace the whole filter, or we're gonna just clean the filter itself. Okay, so to open it, you need to like invert it. So once you invert the filter, there's this knob that says open, go that way, and then close, go this way. So to open, you just turn it this way, and then I believe to open it you'll have to pull this system out. You have to use you look at here next to the plug, you just lift this tab and the whole thing opens, and then when you're home, and also okay, we're gonna change the video to how to install a filter, because somebody forgot to remove the plastic from the filter and they installed it without removing this. So this video for now is how to install the filter. So the same thing, you remove it and then we're gonna put this in. You just drop this inside the filter, and then once you drop it down, make sure it's in the center, because you want this to be in the center of the filter housing unit. And then you just put the same thing, you go the other way around, you return this one and just line this up here at the back, so it's easier for you to remember how to replace it. Once it's in, you get the knob. It says here turn that way to close, so you just go that way to close, and then it's done. Okay, to start the filter, to operate the filter, you just plug this to the outlet, plug it into the outlet right there, and you just press the button, and it will still, the replace filter will still light up. So it's a little noisy because the plastic bag went inside when they didn't remove the plastic bag. So you just to remove this light out, I think you just need to reset the light. It's not resetting. Didn't reset. So that's the switch off, then switch on. So it says here it's 0. It means that noise is, there's the plastic thing inside. So now it's gonna filter. Okay, there you have it. Replace the filter, and it says 500 here because there's a plastic particle inside, but it went back down. Once it's reset, it goes to the 6 p.m. I don't know what that means, but anyway, it means it's good. When the light is blue, it's good. So the replace filter here doesn't go away because I don't know why. Okay, there you have it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.